Hello, welcome to Spy Money. So we are back on ES. I've traded 2 contracts up $1,200. It's been untouched since, let's look here. When did we turn that on? First trade was at 7:26 this morning Eastern time, and it's run all day on its own. It has actually been a little bit more than 1,200, but I've let it just run just to see what it would do. And as you can see here, we have, there's some losers in there. And there's a lot of winners. There's more winners than losers. We're on a 1-to-1 ratio win rate, so that's always good. You can't lose more than what you're making. And so it's done very well. This is 2 contracts, $1,200. It's definitely a very good strategy. It works very well. There's some trades in here that you could possibly have entered on your own, but the bot said no, so it did not enter. There's also a lot more profit that you could have made if you were trading to the levels, but we're just using the bot standard template and letting it run. If this is something that interests you, I mean, think about this. If you run this on your Apex accounts, 2 contracts up 1,200, that's over 100%. That's like 120% that you would be up right now. That's insane. So how do you get started with this? You go up to SpyMoneyLSE.com. You better do this quick because I'm about ready to cancel the leases. Not cancel, but stop new leases from coming in. I'm getting pretty full, and I want to keep this a small group. So last year was December 15th, and you know what? I might just go ahead and put that date this year and stop the leases then. I was thinking about stopping them this month, and I very well may do. Once I stop the leases, you won't be able to get back in. So it's now or never. Once I stop the leases, it's over. The only leases that will continue are the ones that people already started. And like I said, we keep this a small group. This is the way we like it. We like small. We can get to know each other, help each other out better, and it's just much better. So if you are considering it, you best do now, because once I stop it, beg, plead, and screaming will not get you in the lease. It's over. So how you do it? You go to the Ninja Suite up here at the top. When you go into the Ninja Suite, there is a little video that's going to play, and I'm going to pause it, but this will explain a little bit about the Ninja Suite. And if you scroll down, there's several bots that we have. I added another bot to this, and but just playing around with it. Coaster bot is the one that you want. I could take away all the bots and just use Coaster, and that's really all you need. It does a great job. Have a lot of indicators. There's more than this. Drawing tools, add-ons. Here's frequently asked questions. If you have questions, read through this. I will probably answer all of your questions right here. If not, just go up to the contact page up here at the top, click on that, and enter your name, phone number, email address, and my internet is running slow. First name, last name, email, and phone number, and whatever question you have, and I will be happy to answer it for you. Usually pretty quick on that. I'm very good about taking care of support tickets and stuff like that. I just want everybody taken care of immediately. I don't like to procrastinate on it. So if you want to do this and you are liking everything you see, you need to read through these 14 items. Once you read through these, if you agree to them, and only if you agree to them, you highlight these. And, oops, I got a little bit too much there. And then you go ahead and right click, copy, and then we go up here to the contact us. A lot of people say that I didn't know this, didn't know that. Well, this right here is proof that you knew. I want people to join knowing full disclosure. Put your first name, last name, email, phone number. If you don't have all this information, I will not send you a link. You paste it into here, click submit, and you are on your way to using the Ninja Suite. If you know how to use NinjaTrader, you can get started immediately. It's not real hard. If you don't know how to use NinjaTrader, it does take a little bit of time. But we are also making it for QuanTower. That's going to be released here in the next few weeks. So I've been trading on it real well. When you're trading Apex accounts, which is what I recommend, so you go up here to the funded account, come down here, click on this right here, and this will take you to your Apex, and you can use this coupon code SPYMONEY, of course. Use that code, and that will get you 80% off at this time. Any discount that they ever offer, mine will get you that or better. So there's a chance I might even get you a better discount. There's also two others here, Take Profit, BluSky. We took off the other one because honestly it was just trash. So we have BluSky, Take Profit, these three right here. Most people are using Apex, and they're using it on the Quantower with no issues. So call it what you will, but there's no issues on the Quantower, and that will be available soon. There's also a link in the description of this video, and it explains, or you can click on it and it will take you to Quantower to get started on it. It does a really good job. If you have any questions, let me know. Be happy to answer them. Again, right here we have $1,200 profit, just 2 contracts. That's only $1,000. There's no way in the world that you can't make money with this if you just let it run. Again, there is, even right here, I can show you, there's several places that I went back and checked, and right here, Friday, there was only 3 losing trades, these blue circles. The rest of them were all profitable. And what we're looking for is $125 per contract, and out of all of these, there's only 3. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 winners. So that would be, what's that, 18 net winners. So 18 times 125 would be roughly $2,600, something like that. I don't know. But I went through and back tested with just random days. You go back through here, you'll see there's one right there. I never had a losing day, and I didn't check each day. I just go back so far and check them, but I never had a losing day. There's another one, all the trades for it. Looked like there was 2 losses on this one. That's all we had there. Go back in here. Right there were several losses, but we still come out winning. So what I suggest is everybody turn this on, and in the evening time, a lot of people can't trade in the daytime, so you just turn it on in the evening and let it run to get your profits. So on this one, if you turned it on last night, your first, well actually this right here was, the first trade was at 7:30 this morning. So it never even traded last night because it missed this right here due to the open was right here. But I went back and looked, and usually within an hour to 2 hours, it usually has your money ready. So if you want to trade in the evening, you can do that. If you want to trade London session, you can. US, whenever you want to trade, this strategy seems to work really well. We're only looking for 2 net winners. 2 net winners will get you your 50% goal. 50% mean your margin, meaning if you have one contract on NinjaTrader, it costs you $500 to trade it, so we're looking to make $250. 2 trades will get you your 50% that you're looking for. Having questions, let me know. Be happy to help you, get you started. Again, when I stop the leases, it's over. So if you're on the fence about it, best be getting on it, because I am going to stop it real soon. We don't want a lot of people in here. This strategy right here works. People are running it, and it works really well. Also, the coaster on the NQ, Travis, he makes $1,000 an account every single day. So it works out real well for him. But just let me know how we can help you, get you started today, and happy trading.